Neil, hi. Sarah just grabbed me inside this bus. It's not a very big bus, as you can see, but good luck with your cycle rides for helping Dylan. In a couple of years, when you finally return, maybe you can do one for me to fix my neck. All the best. Bye.
Dylan, hi, it's Austin here. They've been told to be really quick because Sarah wants to include a load more people in your best wishes video. And I'll just say best wishes to you, good luck, enjoy Christmas, and also to Neil, congratulations on your long cycle. I would come and help you, but I'm not allowed into Wales.
Neil, just wanted to wish you huge luck as you embark on this mammoth task of 50 bike rides of 50 miles in a year. That's unbelievable, but all for such a good cause, and it's a touching story that we've all been inspired by. So, as I said, best of luck. And
hello Neil, what you are doing for Dylan is just unbelievable. I'm actually being touched up a little bit by Benedict K here, but he's having no influence on me whatsoever. Be a star. I'm full of admiration for you. Look at me. I'm full of admiration. I'm full of scampi. So, you are being an absolute star. All the best. Have fun. Enjoy. You're doing something magnificent. Well done.
Just wanted to wish you all the best. Unbelievable story, mate, and fantastic what you're doing for Dylan. Best of luck, and look forward to hearing how you get on. Cheers, mate.
well.
Hi Neil, it's Simon East to be here. I hope you're well and you're getting through your miles. It's an incredible challenge you set yourself to complete 50 miles 50 times throughout your 50th year. That's 2,500 miles if I'm correct. It's a massive achievement. Obviously it's for Dylan and a great effort for raising money for his great cause. So I hope all goes well and you survive and you live to see the other side and your 51st birthday. You won't want to get on a bike. Good luck and well done, mate.
Hi Neil, it's Clwb speaking. I hear about your challenge with raising money for Dylan. Well, it's such a worthy cause. I certainly hope that Vaseline is sponsoring you and that you achieve it, and no doubt you will, and wish you all the very best.
Hi Neil, congratulations on taking on this challenge. 50 miles for 52 weeks, pretty impressive. In fairness to you, you look a damn sight more than 50. I mean, it's bullshit and all idea that you're only 50 now. It should be 70 miles for 52 weeks maybe, but you do need to lose a few pounds. So good luck with it, raise a lot of money, and hope to see you very soon.
Hi Neil, Sarah Elgin here, just to wish you all the very, very best. It's amazing what you're doing for Dylan. It'll be some achievement when you finish it all, I'm sure. So yeah, I hope it's all going really well, and here's wishing you all the best and Dylan the best too. Lots of love, bye.